What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to upload YouTube Shorts from your PC, making it easy to share content directly from your desktop. First, you need to have your short video file ready on your computer. Once you're set, open up your web browser and navigate to the YouTube website. Make sure you're logged into the YouTube account where you want to upload your short. Click on the Create icon located at the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. It looks like a camera with a plus sign. From the drop-down menu, select Upload Video. This will open the YouTube upload interface. Here, click on Select Files and navigate to where your YouTube short is saved on your computer. Choose your file to start the upload process. After you've selected your file, YouTube might recognize it as a short based on its dimensions and duration. You no longer need to add a hashtag like #short in the title. YouTube system automatically identifies and categorizes it for you. Proceed to fill out the basic information for your video. This includes the title and description. Remember, the first few lines of your description are crucial as they appear in the feed, so make them catchy and informative. Scroll down to further options where you can add your video to a playlist, indicate whether it's made for kids, and input tags. Although tags are not as influential as they used to be, they can still help clarify the content of your video to YouTube's algorithm. Moving on, under the Video Elements section, you have the option to link another video that is relevant to your current short as well as add subtitles to reach a broader audience. Next, you see the Visibility section. Here, you can choose to keep the video private, unlisted, or go ahead and publish the video. If you plan to release it at a later date, use the scheduling tool to specify when your short should go live. Before finalizing the upload, YouTube will ask you to verify the ad suitability if your channel is monetized. This step is crucial for ensuring your content aligns with YouTube's advertising guidelines. Once done, review all the settings, and if you're ready for your short to be seen, click Publish. And there you have it. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.